with news this week that Pfizer and Moderna have developed vaccines with 95% effectiveness. There is hope initial doses could be available by next month. Healthcare workers are among the first expected to receive those vaccines.
NBC 15's RACHAEL Wilkerson joins us now. Rachel, you talked with nurses at Spring Hill Medical Center and USA Health today. What are they saying?
Kim and Greg, very exciting news for our healthcare workers. They have been up close and personal with this deadly disease since March, and now there is some comfort knowing a vaccine is near.
We have been extremely overwhelmed. There hasn't been a moment where we have been able to catch up.
Healthcare workers like Spring Hill Medical Emergency Room registered nurse Brooke Parker have been fighting to keep patients healthy throughout this coronavirus pandemic.
These COVID patients, they are full care.
Parker says COVID is very much real, and what they've experienced has been brutal.
We're working our hardest to make sure that everybody is getting the adequate care, and it's just really sad, and I hope you never have to encounter it.
Coronavirus cases are once again rising throughout all Mobile hospitals. Vaccine scientists say will play a major role in breaking this pandemic. Spring Hill's Brooke Parker and USA Health's Chief Nursing Officer NATALIE can't wait for FDA approval.
Our job doesn't end just because one of our patients has COVID. A lot of time that's where our job begins, and to be able to provide additional protection to our employees is key.
It makes me feel very relieved that the cases will start to lessen.
And with a 94.5% effective rate, there is hope.
That's really good odds, I would say. I'm going to get the vaccine, and all my coworkers are going to get the vaccine. So I would say just go ahead and do it.
One of the biggest questions Fox says they receive daily is, what about people who have already had COVID?
Unfortunately, that's just unknown right now until we get more information.
The Alabama Department of Public Health says the vaccine will be free, including for those without health insurance. The vaccine is just one step towards fighting the virus. Health officials say wearing your mask, washing your hands, and social distancing is still very important. Reporting live in Mobile, RACHAEL Wilkerson, NBC 15 News.